This is the Ekascloud online training, and I'd like to show you how to create a virtual network. So we already have our resource group created called Demo VM. We go to Virtual Network tab and I say create resource group, choose the resource group, and virtual VNet will be the name of my virtual network. And well, let's just see because I made a quite big step. Here we can see this is going to be the private IP address. So now from the past, basically we know there is a public and private network. The public IP addresses are the dedicated public addresses, and then also dedicated for private IP addresses as well. And we also know that there were like classes A, B, C with a subnet mask. Feel free to go back and check one of the lessons what we have in the very beginning, somewhere in the introduction. So that's where we already mentioned that and understood the real network. Now here what we need to know, the network, the virtual network is classless network, and we can generate as many addresses or IP addresses for as many devices as many we need by defining this /16. Alright, so in this case, for example, we see that we can have in this virtual network 65,536 addresses, right? And then the subnet of this virtual network is like a default one, actually talking about 251 possible addresses, where 5 of the addresses are already reserved addresses. So we keep it as is, and let's create a virtual network. Now also I create, let's associate it with a storage account. I will create a storage account as soon as this one is done. It should not take that long, yes. And now I'm going to storage account, create, using demo storage account name will be my demo storage, demo storage account, storage account demo VM. I can't believe lowercase letters. Okay, demo storage VM. I'm going to use locally redundant storage, and I keep it a standard one. And then now this one is a standard settings, but here I'm going to select public endpoint, selected networks, and I'm going to choose now my VNet here. Okay, so this is my VNet, what I already created, and then say a review create. So now my storage account going to be associated with my virtual network. So the next thing what I have to do now is to create a virtual machine. Probably the deployment will be soon done. Okay, done. You can check. Right. We can go to network and we can see it's associated with our VNet one here, coming from demo VM resource cloud. Okay, so now I'm going to create a virtual machine. Resource group my demo VM virtual machine 1. Okay, HTTP. Now next thing is the disk, and I'm going to say I want unmanaged disk, and then here if I change to a standard HTTP, here is my demo storage account, which is already associated with my network as well, and you can see VNet here. This is the subnet configuration. And that's it. Basically we can create our virtual machine. Okay, let's give a go. Okay, let's check. You can see the private IP address here, 10.0.0.4. These are public IP addresses, and yeah, that's it. We can connect to our virtual machine, and then we will see the same thing in our virtual machine as well. So thank you for your attention. See you soon.